now to the United States, and U.S. rights groups have blasted the new open-ended version of President Donald Trump's travel restrictions as a must-Muslim ban and pledged to keep fighting it in courts. Brano Boya has that story in which activists and legal experts say Trump's intent remains the same to sharply cut off the flow of Muslim visitors and immigrants into the United States.
The White House issued a new executive order to replace the expiring 90-day temporary ban on travelers from Sudan, Syria, Yemen, Iran, Somalia, and Libya. The ban, which Trump has been fighting to put in place since days after he became president in January, has been repeatedly delayed and watered down in a series of court challenges and appeals. At the end of June, the Supreme Court allowed it finally to be implemented with the restrictions, together with a 120-day ban on refugees. Sunday's order, which has no expiration date, targeted 8 countries but was less uniform. North Korea, Chad, Syria, Yemen, and Libya face full bans until they can improve their information collection on their own citizens and boost cooperation with U.S. security authorities, who say the main target is to prevent potential terrorists from entering the country. For Iran, an exception was left for students and exchange visitors. For Somalia, new immigrants are blocked, but business, official, and personal temporary visitors will be allowed, though subject to tougher vetting. With Venezuela, only officials from certain key ministries and government agencies and their families are banned. In Caracas, the foreign ministry called the U.S. action psychological terrorism aimed at bringing down Venezuela's leftist government. The original ban is due to be heard at the Supreme Court on October 10th, focusing in part on whether Muslims were targeted from the beginning. The new order could shape the way the issue is addressed, possibly even mooting the case.
Hey, no fear. Refugees are welcome here.
But critics called that window dressing. One noted there were only 8 visitors last year from North Korea, which does not have diplomatic relations with the United States. In addition, lawyers say Trump has overextended his executive powers on placing limits on immigration. Brian Obuya, KTN News.
That's what we stand for.